I'm having breakfast with my Bluejay. Actually, nothing to eat, just chatting. It's hot, huh, Blue? Yeah. And you got your little babies here in the tree. Yes, you're such a good bird. He's keeping his eye out for the mockingbird. Mockingbird's got a baby on the ground. First time seeing him today. Very cute. Blue, what do you think of this weather? This humidity? What do you think? Huh? I put some water right on the deck just for you. Yeah. You're such a nice bird. And beautiful. Beautiful Blue. Who's in the tree? Those your babies in the tree? Yes, you're always listening. I hear somebody rustling in the tree. Who is it? Who is it? Is it a squirrel? Oh, you look so cute, all puffed up. Who's in that tree, Blue? Somebody's in this tree right here. If it was something bad, Blue would be screaming. Yes, you warn us of everything. There's that little juvie out there. He's way in the back. All right, sweetie. Happy August 1st. Who is in that tree? Yes, I will go get you something. He's got 2 fledglings that usually come along with him. He's alone today. And he's beautiful. Blue jays are great. Smart. This bird knows words. Just like the catbird, my baby catbird that I haven't seen this summer. He left. Not sure why. You and Cat didn't get along. I think Cat left, had the babies, and they took off. Couldn't get close to me because of you, but you're with me year round. I like to film them because they're so pretty up close. They get such a bad rap, and they shouldn't. Ciao for now.